and welcome to Rineyville Elementary's open house for the 2026-27 school year. I'm Stephanie Breeding, school principal. I'm so excited to see so many new faces and old faces. Welcome back. We're having a great time this evening and look forward to an amazing school year.
All right, so we are at Rineyville Open House tonight. We have lots going on. We have some community partners set up in the gym. We have Girl Scouts, Cub Scouts, we have free haircuts. We have bus rider information, car rider sign-ups. And then, of course, students get to meet their teachers. Yeah, lots going on.
As I said, if you want to take that away out of
Thank you, everybody, for coming out tonight for our open house, and we're looking for an amazing year here at Rineyville Elementary School.